So I had friends over the other day, and I love when my friends help in the kitchen, and my best friend was in the kitchen, and she said, "Oh, I'll dry the crystal." I said, "Good." 2 seconds later, a stem was snapped. She was horrified. I was worried she was going to cut herself, and I realized I need to share with everybody how to properly dry crystal stemware, because the stems are delicate. So first you're going to have your wet glass. I use cotton toweling, softest one you can find. Dry the foot and then up the stem. You can see it's all still wet there. I'm doing flutes because they're the most difficult to get dry. Carefully put the cotton toweling inside, and then you're going to hold the bowl of the glass because you do not want to be twisting anything this way. That's what's going to break your stem. And you carefully twist the cotton inside the glass. Oh, there's wet. And there it is, a perfect glass. These are the ones I've designed, and I can't wait to share them with you.